MoldMaking Technology's Leadtime Leader Awards recognize and honor North American mold manufacturers. We look for shops raising the bar in efficiency, quality, innovation, and commitment within their mold-making operations. This year's winners are no exception. Both stand out for their investments in continuous improvement, efforts in workforce development, and passion for their people.
I'm Matt Danford, Senior Editor at MoldMaking Technology magazine. While working on the article about this year's honorable mention, Aalbers Tool and Mold, I was impressed by just how well the shop fit our description of a lead time leader. Strategic expansion, continuous improvement, data tracking, workforce development, and innovation on a grand scale.
My name's Toni Hansen. I'm the president of Aalbers Tool and Mold here in Oldcastle, Ontario, Canada. We've been in business since 1982. We build quality injection tooling for the auto industry. When Gary Aalbers started the company, his vision was to make sure that he built a quality injection mold. And throughout the years, he's maintained that philosophy. The people at Aalbers Tool and Mold, they're the Aalbers team. Everyone works together. Everyone strives to help one another. We all meet together, the part of the team of components, engineering, manufacturing, tool making, discuss what fits our tools and what works well with them. One of the key components in our success of on-time delivery is developing our components and being able to have them on the shelf ready for the tool, so we don't have to wait for a component to be made. We don't have to wait for someone to deliver something to us. We have the ability that we've made that ourselves. The biggest reason we developed the standards was to streamline the operation, make us more competitive with the industry. Logistics is key to being successful for our customers regarding delivery, on-time requirements, and scheduling is key for all of that. And we do that through a process we've developed. It's a home-based ERP system. What's made us be consistent and having our tools on time is all the new developments of software, machine capabilities, speeds of machinery, the quality that the actual machine can deliver. This type of software, machine, and 3D design development has made that possible. What I do see is a shift back from Tier 1s and OEMs trying to go offshore. We are being more competitive. That's why we are so healthy today, is we had that mindset of making sure that we are going to be here 20 years from now. And we still have that mindset today.
Our 2014 Leadtime Leader winner is Westminster Tool of Plainfield, Connecticut. This shop exemplifies our description of a lead time leader. Let's hear their story.
We're here at Westminster Tool. We are a provider of injection mold systems to the medical, aerospace, and consumer packaging market. We've been building molds for over 15 years, and up until about 7 years ago, that was our sole core competency. Having a highly cross-trained workforce and making that up with a key strategic partner base. And you've got a tremendous amount of flexibility, ultimately giving you that opportunity to be repeatable.
In our early stages, when we began in business, we learned very quickly that it's not just about what is on somebody's resume. We're very proud of the fact that very few people have left and gone to another company, and I think a lot of that is because we find the right people from a personality standpoint, making sure that they have the heart and the same integrity and values that we stand for. We began our cross-training effort 6 years ago. The biggest problem that we face through our growth is being able to duplicate the skills and the people that we have, getting consistency out of our end product, getting to understand the other areas and actually make you better at some of your core competencies as well.
Lean culture, it started out about 2 years ago when we started doing professional development days. We had to learn a few of the thousands and thousands of tools that Lean consists of. The whole shop would shut down for half day and everybody would get together. We went to an off-site location and we'd get trained on some of the softer skills that you don't necessarily associate with manufacturing every day. And these soft skills really helped us to improve how we worked with each other and just the flow throughout the shop. We found that hosting 6S events and value stream mapping was a huge asset to our company.
Innovation is small incremental steps to improve upon a process. We originally began the idea system because we wanted to be able to quantify and show and create some accountability for our ideas that we are managing from the bottom up and not the top down. We've had over 1,200 ideas, and of the 1,200, over 1,000 have been implemented internally in the company. And it's not the idea that we really are looking for, we're looking for more of the culture. It's basically you're trying to create that culture that running this company and making this company better is everybody's responsibility, not the management. We empower people to do their jobs, and people it's one thing to be thankful for their jobs, but when you empower them and hold them accountable, there isn't a better spirit in the world that is more fulfilling.
We opened our technology center in 2009 to offer mold validation services. Staffed with RJG master molders, we can provide our customers with a scientific molding process that they can take into their production facility. The lead time of a mold build can only be reduced so much. To increase the time to build that mold, you offer more complementary services. We see a lot of time wasted on the front and back end of the program, hence bridging the gap. We've surrounded ourselves with a key strategic partner base, where in our early years, these services were needs for our business to build molds. When we acquired that capability, we didn't sever that relationship. They became an extension of our business. This results in faster time to market and a reduction in overall project costs, and not time constraint the mold build process and the validation process. And overall, reduce the overall project lead time. We're on a crusade to change the perception of the industry and make a difference.
The best way that you can improve your company, hands down, is to listen to others that are doing it what you are doing, and share with others your ideas as well. There's a lot of work out there to be had. We have to grow this industry, and I have found that you cannot go alone. Don't forget we're investing in people. It's not just about equipment and resources and cash and banks, but invest in the human being. You invest in a human being, you get the result for years and years and years to come. The more you invest in your people to educate them and make them a better person, it's not just about what you teach them on a machine, but also what they have in their heart. The better off you're going to be, and you will, I promise you, and I believe that we are an example of reaping the benefits of that.